How can you improve video quality in Google Meet on your Android? Let's talk about it. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe to the Foxtecc channel so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials as well. Okay, so if you want to improve the video quality, the first and most important step would be to ensure you have proper internet connection. Because, if your Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is weak, then the quality is going to be dialed down automatically. So, it's something that you cannot really prevent. So make sure you have good enough internet connection. But then inside of the Google Meet, you can tap on the three lines in the top left, proceed to the settings, and at first click on calling settings and tap on the in-call settings again, and make sure that you don't have the data saving mode enabled, because this, as you can tell, adjusts the video quality to limit data usage, and it of course only adjusted so it just kind of like lowers the quality so less data is used, but that's not what we want. And also in the main settings page, you can go to the meeting settings, where as well you have the limited data usage, which probably is the same thing, but you can also find it right here. So that's what I would keep turned off. And I would also make sure I have proper internet connection. And outside of that, it all comes down to your hardware. So if you're using your phone and, if it's a newer model, it's likely going to have a better camera. So, it might also contribute to the good quality of the video calls. But other than that, you don't really have anything else that you can do about it. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next quick tutorials and videos like this. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.